Hello and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the Volvo EX30, a compact electric SUV that embodies the very essence of Swedish innovation, sustainability, and cutting-edge design. Much like Sweden's global football icon Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the EX30 is bold, powerful, and ready to make an impact on the world stage. This vehicle represents Volvo's vision of a sustainable future, packed into a small yet incredibly capable package. Let's explore every detail that makes the EX30 stand out, from its design and performance to its technological marvels and competitive global positioning. A celebration of Swedish heritage and Scandinavian design. Volvo has long been a symbol of Swedish excellence, known for its dedication to safety, quality, and sustainability. The EX30 is a testament to this legacy, bringing these values to life in the form of a compact yet luxurious electric SUV. Design. With its minimalist and clean lines, the EX30 exemplifies Scandinavian design at its best. The signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights not only provide superior illumination, but also give the vehicle a bold and instantly recognizable look. Compact yet spacious. Despite its compact length of 4.23 meters, the EX30 offers a surprisingly roomy interior, making it ideal for city driving without compromising passenger comfort. This perfect balance between practicality and elegance makes the EX30 a standout in its class. Performance. Small in size, big in power. Volvo has managed to pack impressive performance capabilities into the EX30, proving that compact doesn't mean compromising on power or efficiency. Powertrains. Twin-motor AWD'd. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version generates 428 horsepower, propelling the vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds, one of the fastest times in its segment. Single-motor RWD. For those prioritizing range and economy, the single-motor rear-wheel drive version delivers 272 horsepower, offering a smoother, more energy-efficient ride. Battery and range. Available in 451 kilowatt-hour and 69 kilowatt-hours battery configurations, the EX30 offers a driving range of up to 480 kilometers, WLTP, on the long-range version. Charging technology. With its 153 kilowatt fast charging capability, the EX30 can charge from 10 to 80% in just 26 minutes, making it an excellent choice for drivers who value convenience and efficiency. Interior, where sustainability meets innovation. Inside the EX30, Volvo seamlessly blends eco-conscious materials with state-of-the-art technology to create an interior that's as functional as it is beautiful. Sustainable materials. The cabin incorporates recycled plastics, eco-friendly fabrics, and renewable materials, underscoring Volvo's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. Infotainment. 12.3-inch central touchscreen serves as the command center, featuring Google-integrated software for seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. Premium audio. The EX30 is equipped with a Harman Kardon sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio, enhancing the in-car experience. Safety. Volvo's legendary focus on safety is evident in the EX30, which includes advanced features like pedestrian detection, collision avoidance, and adaptive cruise control. Global positioning, how the EX30 competes in international markets. Volvo has strategically designed the EX30 to cater to diverse markets worldwide, focusing heavily on Europe and North America. Europe. The EX30 has been well received in Europe's environmentally conscious markets, particularly in countries like Norway, Germany, and the Netherlands, where EV infrastructure is robust. Its compact size, impressive range, and affordable price make it a strong competitor to models like the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Kona Electric, and Peugeot E2008. United States. While the EX30 is still new to the American market, its competitive pricing and Volvo's strong reputation for safety and quality position it as a formidable rival to the Tesla Model Y, Chevrolet Bolt EUV, and even the premium BMW iX1. Volvo's upcoming EV production plant in the US will further strengthen its presence and make the EX30 more accessible to American buyers. Zlatan Ibrahimovic and Volvo, Sweden's icons of excellence. The Volvo EX30 shares more than just a Swedish origin with Zlatan Ibrahimovic. It embodies the same spirit of determination, innovation, and excellence. Zlatan, with his unparalleled skills and larger-than-life personality, has put Sweden on the global map in football. Similarly, the EX30 aims to redefine how compact SUVs are perceived in the global EV market. Both are symbols of Sweden's ability to produce world-class talent and technology that resonate far beyond its borders. Pricing and competitive edge. One of the most compelling aspects of the EX30 is its affordability, especially considering its premium features and performance. In Europe, the EX30 is priced at around €36,000, making it one of the most accessible premium electric SUVs in the market. This positions it as a strong alternative to more expensive competitors like the Tesla Model Y. United States, Volvo plans to price the EX30 competitively in the US market, likely around $35,000 to $40,000, making it an attractive option against Tesla's entry-level models. Why choose the EX30? Faster charging capabilities, exceptional safety features, premium Scandinavian design at an accessible price. Conclusion: a compact vision of the future. The Volvo EX30 is more than just an electric vehicle. It's a statement about the future of mobility. With its striking design, powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to sustainability, the EX30 sets a new standard for compact electric SUVs. Much like Zlatan Ibrahimovic has redefined football with his skill and personality, the Volvo EX30 is redefining what we can expect from compact EVs. What are your thoughts on the Volvo EX30? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content like this. See you in the next video.